Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning back in. And if you're new, let me introduce myself. My name is Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe. So today we're going to be doing a hair video. I have another glueless unit. These have me in a choke hold. They're perfect for the summer. They're super easy. I've been super lazy on top of all that. So these have been perfect. They literally take like 5 minutes to install, and styling is your preference, you know? But today for styling, I'm showing you guys how to get this body, layer your hair, get some curls going so that it looks like something. Looks like a professional install, if I do say so myself. I just want to say shout out to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video and giving me this bomb wig. I keep doing these glueless installs because, like I said, I'm lazy. They're easy, and each one I'm getting is getting better and better. Whenever there's something new on the market, it's better to just kind of wait and see what everybody does with it, and then make your decision on like which brand or company you want to shop with, because they get better and better. They're looking at each other and like, this is popular, but let me see how I could do this better. That's basically what's happening, and I'm seeing it in real time. So if you are sick and tired of getting those "hey boo" text, then keep watching. Alright, so we're getting straight into this video. So today's wig is from Wiggins Hair. I will leave all the information for this wig down below. And this is the wig straight out the box. I'm going to smell it because I'm a weirdo. It didn't smell like anything. But this is one of those glueless units, you guys. I am obsessed. This is a 5x5 closure, and as an elastic band, no combs in there. I love where the elastic band is placed because it's actually holding the closure part down and it's not flipping or flapping up. That is the issue with a lot of these glueless wigs, and you have to end up putting some kind of adhesive because the elastic band is not placed properly. So even though it's still an easy install and it's still convenient, it's not truly glueless. This is truly glueless. This looks like I literally melted it down. So as you guys saw, the hair had curls in it already, or the wig had curls in it already. I did not do that. Wiggins sent me my wig like that. Curls and all. The baby, them look like some Tasha curls, didn't they? But I just combed them out, and I was like, okay, I like where this is going. I like the feel of the hair. It was super full and bouncy and silky, but y'all know me, I need some layers, okay? I was not with the whole one length thing, so I did layers. I've been doing my new little layering technique. It's not new, but it's new for me, and it's a lot easier. So I'm just like layering it and kind of giving that va-va-voom and body, because I don't really want curls. I don't know if you guys have noticed lately. I don't know what I'm on. Maybe it's, you know, grown and sexy vibe, but I've been into more like flowy hair, no baby hairs. Like that has just been like my go-to. Not to say I won't go back or switch it up, but lately I just like my hair a lot more sleek, a lot more minimal. I just feel like it's just more fitting for me and my mood lately. So yeah, the only thing I did have to do was put some powder in the part, you guys. Super easy. That takes no effort at all. And use powder, you guys. Concealer, in my opinion, is too messy. I prefer the powder. It looks a lot more natural. And yeah, like look at that. It looks so good. It literally is like, because of the elastic band in there, it's just laying down perfectly. But to get that extra melt, I did use this melting spray. It's not like a adhesive. It's something that you use after laying your wig, so it's not really keeping the wig down necessarily. It's just melting that lace so that you can't see the demarcation in between your wig and your skin. So that's just like a me thing. You don't have to do that, but if you have any kind of spritz or spray, you can spray the edges. It doesn't have to be an intense install. That's all you have to do. So anyways, back to styling. So now that I've layered and cut the hair, I'm just putting some oil in the hair. I just like my hair to have luster and shine. So I'm putting that all throughout the hair, and I'm gonna section the hair off, and I'm gonna do big curls. So I'm using my big Babyliss curling iron. I love the barrel of this curler, but like I like the size of the barrel, but I don't really care for the actual curler. Like it could be better. I'm on the hunt for like a better one. I was thinking another T3, but I don't think the T3 comes this big, and I want a curler this big. So I'll just have to do my research. If you have any suggestions, comment down below. But I'm doing literally 4 curls on each side, and I'm pinning them. I was thinking rollers, but you guys are gonna see I did leave the clip in. The rollers were like too silky. I need the Velcro rollers because it was just slipping and sliding. It worked when I did it on my kinky hair, but on this baby, it was not having it. So I would definitely invest into some Velcro curlers, but this definitely got the job done, kept the volume, and I love that. So you guys saw me spray the hair before I curled it, and it gave the hair this shine. I'm obsessed with this shine spray. It just gives the hair this bounce and this luster without weighing the hair down and making it look oily. I curl the hair and then I hold the curl and spray it with hairspray and pin it. So you guys are gonna see me do that throughout the whole head. Again, I did 4 on each side, and the 3 in the back, I'm curling away from my face, and then you guys are gonna see me cut like my bang area towards, curl my bang area towards my face, and that's gonna give me like that like natural-esque blowout kind of look. So yeah, that's the part where you guys saw me give up on using the curler in the front, because I really wanted to use a curler just in the front for that extra volume, but doing it this way worked just as well. So now I'm doing the other side. I'm doing the same exact steps, and then I'm going to do my makeup off camera, come back and take the curls down. Ooh, my makeup looks so good. Shout out to the full face with no lashes. That's definitely been my vibe lately. But I'm taking the elastic band off and it is extra melted. It's not like tacked down or anything, but it definitely just gives a more seamless look. And I'm taking those pins out. My hair got super messy while I was doing my makeup. I don't know why. Like, girl, what were you doing? But okay. And I'm just taking the curls down, and then I'm gonna use a round brush and shape the curls. So I've been using the round brush for looks like this because it makes the hair look a lot more flowy and kind of mimic a blowout. Instead of the curls separating or looking too curled, it just gives you that nice flowy voluminous look. So if you have not been using a round brush, get into it. And if you're like me and don't know how to do the round brush and the blow dryer at the same time, this is a better alternative to just curl your hair first and then just kind of go through the hair with the round brush. Same concept. There's no right or wrong to this technique. You just pretty much need to do it until it's to your liking. So if you feel like you need to layer your hair more, which I did go in and do so. If you want to curl your hair a different way, do so. If you want to, I don't know, do so. Okay, it's super easy. So that's pretty much it. I just played with my hair literally for about 5 minutes, which is like a long time for me in hair time, but it's really like not a long time. And that completes the look. So this is how you slay your hair like a pro at home, baby. I hope this was easy for you guys. Again, this whole thing took me like 30 minutes from start to finish. My hair took 30 minutes start to finish, not the makeup. But yeah, super easy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair. I will leave all the information for this wig down below, links, sales, all that. So make sure you guys check that out. And I'm obsessed with this hair. Like, the final look was mwah, chef's kiss. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.